How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm gonna clean these tires. Last time I did this with Dawn and Coke, not good results, but you guys already know I'm not really big fan of cleaning, detailing and all that. So last time when I did the Dawn and Coke, some people on the comments made me suggestions, so I really appreciate that. And yes, last time I was driving around mud, so it was a lot of mud on the tire, but the mud wasn't the problem. I know that the tires are yellowing, old dressing on the tires is coming out, and all the oils. You guys know that they make these tires and they put a lot of chemicals on it, so all the oils are coming out. That's why they look brown. So if you can see on this one, I did clean this tire a few days ago, and it removed a lot of oil from it, but more coming out, so that's why this one looks really yellow. So on this episode I'm going to try two products and I'm going to see which one does a better job. And for that episode where I did the code and done, I really appreciate the comments, guys. You guys helped me out a lot. Stiffer brush to clean the tires. You should cover your rims because this is really hard. It might damage your rims, but if you see, this is my old setup, so I really don't care much about it because they're really bad. And this episode is not sponsored, guys. I pay for everything with my own money. I went to the $3 store like you guys recommended. I found this degreaser. So this degreaser hopefully does the job. And a friend of mine on my job recommended me this. He let me use this, so as soon as I finish with it, I'm gonna return it, of course. This is all-purpose cleaner, and this one is a degreaser too. I know I'm gonna have to do this quite often, probably like 3-4 times until all the yellowing get out of the tire. If I have to do more, I'm gonna do more. It depends. So let's start spraying these two tires and let's see. First, I'm gonna use the all-purpose cleaner for that tire. If you can see how the tire looks, really yellow. That one too. All those oils and chemicals, they start coming out, and all tire dressings too. Let's put on the tire. I'm gonna leave it for like 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna see what kind of result we get. Now let's use this degreaser for the other one. Oh, take a look at that. All the grease is coming out already on this one, and on the foam you can see all the grease in there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start using the brush and getting ready. Look at that. That's amazing how much stuff they got on the tires. Wow, that thing is black. It's crazy. And I'm gonna start doing this one. And after I rinse with water, we'll see how they look. Take a look at that on the all-purpose cleaner. Now we're gonna have to wait until they get dry and see how they look. I know they're gonna look yellow. Okay guys, first wash on the tire, and you see it's start turning yellow again. So let's do this one more time. This is the $3 degreaser. This is the all-purpose cleaner. You can see how yellow it looks. Hopefully it picks all that in camera. So let's do it one more time. Let's go for the third time. After the third time, if you see this one, it looks more brown than that one. I don't know if this one is stronger and is cleaning faster, but on the second time that I use the brush, I can see a lot of oils coming out. So the degreaser from $3, I think is doing a faster job than the all-purpose cleaner. I think that's it for the degreaser from $3, guys. That one, it doesn't look that yellow no more. I think that one is already clean and done. This one is still coming out, so I know that that degreaser is faster than the foam. So this one is a lot better, and I'm gonna rinse these tires 4 times doing it, guys. So after the 4th time, I'm gonna let it dry and show you the end result, see how they look. Okay guys, so they're back on the car, and this is from the degreaser from $3 store. Yep, all the yellow is gone, guys, on this one. But let me show you the other one with the foam, and it didn't work really well. Now this is the one with the foam. I do not recommend that foam. That's an industrial foam, so it's not like, I haven't seen that one in the stores. Probably they do sell it on the stores, but yeah, you can see yellow. So this is almost dry. It looks a lot better than before, but 4 times on both tires, and that one is completely black, this one it doesn't. So I'm gonna go back with the degreaser, and I'm about to do some other stuff on the car. That's why I haven't posted anything on this channel, but hopefully next week I'm gonna present you the whole car done. I'm just gonna say that next week, if the weather allows, I'm gonna present you the new Accord. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.